Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's story, I want to be teaching you how you can be able to post a high quality image in your status. About 95% of people using WhatsApp don't know this trick. Today I will be revealing the secret to you. Before that, I will be opening my WhatsApp status so you will be seeing the difference between the high quality image in my status and the low quality image. Okay, let me show you the previous post that I just made some seconds ago in my status. Okay guys, this is my WhatsApp. Okay, I just posted this some minutes ago. Okay guys, check it out. It has quality. You see that? It has quality. Check this one out too. It has quality. Okay, let's be scrolling. Check it. All the details are still intact. Do you see that? But let me post normally the way you post things so that you will see that it might lose quality. Now let me on my data. Okay, let me post the same image so that you can see. Okay guys, this is the same image. Okay, check it out. It's pixelated. Another word for using for a low quality image is that it is pixelated. Okay, check the previous one. See how it is smooth and beautiful. Check this one. Do you see the difference? It is pixelated. The reason why you might not be able to notice it right is that this design is well sharpened. That is the reason why. Okay, now let's go over to the tutorial. What you are going to do is that you are going to click on this particular place. Click on it. This particular place is where all your contacts shows. What you're going to do now, you are going to message yourself. This is you. This is me here. Click on it. When you click on it, as you can see, these are some posts that I just made, which you saw in my status previously. So now what I'm going to do is that this particular place, click on it. Now select gallery. Click on gallery. We are going to select the image which we are going to use for this particular thing, which is this particular image. Okay, now we are going to use this particular image. Click on it. We are going to use this particular image. Now click on it. Okay, now watch out. This particular image still has its quality. Now click on this particular high definition icon, HD. Click on it. Click on this particular second one, high HD quality. The image will be converted to HD. Now you can send it to yourself, which it will appear here. After it has appeared here, you are going to click on it, click and hold. Click on forward it to your status. Mark your status. Now listen, before you send, if you want to add a caption to it, here is the place where you can write your caption. You can click on it. High quality. You understand? Okay guys, after you have written the caption, you can now post it. Actually, I've posted this image in my status before, so I don't have any need to post it again. Okay, now if you send it to your status, this will be the result that we are going to get after doing exactly as I just instructed now. Thanks for watching this video. If indeed that this tutorial is really helpful to you, please I'm begging of you, try to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more people to be able to see this particular video. And as well, drop a comment in the comment section if you have any question or anything you want me to create or anything you want me to solve for you. Just bring it up in the comment section. I will be glad to reply and give answers to that. Thank you. This is Henry Chris. Bye.